So we're just gonna take the lid off and have a look. Oh. Hey, and welcome to another episode of Adventure Cook-Ups on Every Road TV. It's Easter. We're stuck at home, so we're having a camp out. But what do you do when you have a camp? You cook up a camp oven roast. So that's what we're going to be doing. Got a lamb, leg of lamb, a bit over 2 kilo. Gonna chuck that in the camp oven, cook some veggies up with it, a damper, serve it up and eat. Roasts are a fairly simple thing to cook. Garlic and rosemary goes beautiful with lamb. Let's just grab a little knife. And stab it. Don't cut yourself.
But why are you going to put in those holes?
That's a really good question. What are we going to put in those holes? We're going to take this garlic, cut it up into 2.
Shoo!
Thought you were keeping flies off.
What the hell?
We're going to cut this garlic up into slithers. Stuff these slithers into the holes like that.
That's going to be easy.
You want to have a go, kids?
Yes. Yeah.
More to go in. Don't worry about the flies. While the kids do that, I'm going to go and sit the camp oven in the fire.
Fire?
Now we want some rosemary. You want to cover this with rosemary?
Okay, Dad.
Cover it. Now we're going to oil up, put some oil over it, and then chuck it in our pre-warmed camp oven. Alright, now we just want to chuck a bit of oil all over our roast. Give it a bit of a rub like so. Then we're just going to chuck a bit of oil in the bottom. Right. And then pop it in the camp oven. Got roast cooking in the camp oven. Now we just got to cut some veggies up so we can go in shortly.
There's
the
carrot.
carrots.
I started earlier.
Carrot you started earlier.
Then I can have one.
Hey, you want that one? Notice the juices after we've spiked it are coming out red. There's still blood in that, so we need to heat that up. I'm not going to use a temperature fork like a lot of people do. We're just going to trust our instincts. Here we are, probably nearly ready to put some veggies on. So to check how cooked it is, we just take our fork. If you notice, the juices come out is still red. When we spike that again later, that will be clear, and that means it's ready. So what we'll do, I think it's time we can put some veggies in and let it do the rest of its cooking. Yeah, it's fine. Right, our roast should be cooked, so we're just going to take the lid off and have a look. Oh. Now, like I said before, when we spike it with our fork, we want it to come out clean. Well, it didn't now, this time it will, I'm sure of it. Come out. And see how the juices now are all nice and clean. Our veggies are done. Alright, now it's time to pull the roast out and let it have a rest. And in the meantime, our damper will finish cooking. So once our roast is all rested, like it has been, rested for a while, we get to cut it up. Alright, our roast is done. It's all served up. Serve it with gravy. Let's have a go. Beautiful.